Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Amrit Purandare. In this tutorial, we are going to learn JUnit features and its advantage. In previous tutorial, we have seen what is JUnit. So let's get started with the JUnit features. JUnit is an open source unit testing framework, so you don't have to pay any licensing cost to use it. JUnit provides annotation to identify the test methods. Annotation of JUnit are used to run the test method. For those who do not understand the annotation, they are syntactic metadata that can be added to source code. We can annotate class, method, variable, or a Java package. It's Java package. JUnit provides assertion for testing the expected results. In assertion, we check whether our actual output meets the expected one. So whenever we run the test cases, we get the result and we compare it with the expected result for the verifications. So to understand annotation and assertion, what I have done, I have created a sample class calculator wherein I have the sum method which expects two parameters and returns the sum. And I have created the test sum method. Now I want to tell the JUnit that this is my test method. So I have to use the @test annotation, and I am creating the calculator class object. I am calling the sum method, and I'm getting the actual result. And from verification perspective, we need to use assertion, and I'm using the assert equals annotation, assert equal assert statement from the JUnit, and I'm passing the expected value and the actual value. So this is how JUnit provides the support for the uh, annotation, support us with the annotation and the assert statements. And if I now run this method, I will get the I will run my test case, and it is now passing. The next JUnit feature is test suites. So test suites are nothing but the we can combine multiple unit test cases into one, and we have @run with and @suite annotations from the JUnit for that. JUnit provides us the test runners for running the test. Test runners are used to execute test cases and test suites. So if you want to run more than one test cases, so for example in my code I have thousands of unit test cases, I want to run it, so test runners helps us into it. JUnits have some important classes like assert, test cases, test results, and we need to use them while creating the test cases. Test fixtures. So this is one of the very important feature of a JUnit. Test fixtures are nothing but it provides us some common facility to share data between multiple test cases. So in my class, I can have more than one test cases, and I want to share some data between these test cases. So test fixtures comes into rescue for this one. We have before and after annotation for this one. So these are some JUnit features. Now we will understand what are the advantages of the JUnit. So JUnit is elegantly simple, it is less complex, and it takes less time to learn and write the unit test cases. JUnit accelerates programming speed and it increases the quality of the code. JUnit provides progress bar facility. So this is one of the again a bigger advantage of the JUnit. In our code, we can have thousands of unit test cases, and when we run them, it will take some time. So we need some progress in the console, and JUnit provides us with it. So if I now go to the IntelliJ IDEA and if I run this test case, so we will see the progress at this location. As of now, we just have one test cases, so it just comes and goes. So if I'm running the test cases, and I will see some progress in the green, right? So this is the progress bar facility that I was talking about. JUnit enables writing test cases while developing the software, and that helps in early testing of the code and detecting issues at the very early stage. JUnit ensures that every single portion of the code in software is tested even before we go for the system level testing. JUnit easily creates and manages a rich unit test case suites for the entire software. So we just have to use some annotations to combine the multiple unit test cases into a suite. JUnit has become a standard for the testing in Java. Okay, so JUnit is supported by almost all IDEs, including NetBeans, Eclipse, IntelliJ IDE, and Android Studio. You just have to choose your IDE and you will find the JUnit support for it. So these are the few JUnit advantages. So that's it for this tutorial. In the last tutorial, I missed one point, that is JUnit was originally written by Eric Gamma and Ken Beck in the 2002. In the next video, I'm going to show how to add JUnit framework in your project. So thank you very much. If you guys learn something new, please press the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.